Take this as your daily PSA. Brown isn't boring. It's beautiful and it's brilliant. Don't believe me? Keep watching. This is And Then There Was Style. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our content. In today's video, we are going to look at some really gorgeous, beautiful, and inspiring brown living rooms. Now, brown doesn't have to be boring by any means. Brown can be amazing. So if you are interested in what made the list, just keep watching. Also, don't forget to check the description box down below for items that you can purchase for your home if you are interested in creating a beautiful brown living room. Okay, ready? Let's go. Whether you're headed to the paint store and want to consider a beautiful brown paint, or you want to accessorize your living space with hints of brown, it's a color that's too often overlooked. While not as trendy as its navy blue or crisp white counterparts, brown is an incredibly versatile color that creates a sense of calm and comfort in any living room. You can easily incorporate brown into any space, either through paint, furniture, flooring, or accent pieces. It's important to note that shades of brown fall into two categories: warm or cool. Warm browns have red or orange undertones. These shades give a down-to-earth appearance that create a welcoming atmosphere. Shades of brown that land in this category are going to be similar to chocolate, caramel, copper, and even terracotta. Cool brown colors possess blue or gray undertones. They provide a more refined look to any space. So if you want some help envisioning this, think taupe or beige or tan, which are all really cool shades of brown. No pun intended. Make a mental note of the room that you love the most from this list and comment down below so I can be nosy and see what you guys are loving. So you may think, but why would I go with the color brown for my living room? Well, the brown palette is very soothing and is the ideal choice for people who appreciate the peace and comfort in the house. The main advantage of using brown and beige color combinations in the interior of the living room is that it always has excellent final results. I always like to say you can get an interior designer look even if you're just doing it yourself on a DIY budget. One thing to be careful of is not to overdo the dark shades of the interior because it just may look too dark and grim, unless that's the look you're going for. Beige and brown work very well together, and if you want to really create a stylish living room decor, you have to follow a few basic principles. Choose dark shades as an accent and use them as the perfect backdrop for lighter shades. A leather sofa, a coffee table, or a bookshelf or shelving system in dark brown combined with a lighter color rug, for example, can add really special character to the room. One of the most common ways to add brown to your living space is with a beautiful, rich brown sofa. Now, I particularly love brown leather, but whether you choose leather or velvet or microfiber, it's all up to you. I feel that brown leather just adds a bit of elegance without feeling stuffy or forced or just like you're doing way too much. If you mix in neutrals such as a jute, weave, rug, and wicker for a simple but inviting color scheme, you will have a perfect room on your hand. The color brown frequently gets a bad rap by people who identify it as boring or lackluster. Really? I think they're boring and lackluster because brown can be beautiful. Just joking, guys. But the main focus needs to be on the rich, earthy quality which brown and brownish colors possess. It's warmer than black or maybe even charcoal gray. Rich browns are dramatic. They grab you, they grab your attention. They're very rich and royal. Layering brown functions like a charm as well. Whether it's walls or rugs or pillows, seating, curtains, all blend in a standard theme to create an ultra chic vibe. Alright, you guys, so I've asked you to comment your favorite room down below. I want to see if we have the same favorite. So if you want to see mine, oh my goodness, it's this beauty right here. I love everything about this room. From the mood lighting to the color scheme to this incredibly beautiful tufted sofa. This is like my ideal living room. Even though I'm a glam girl, this room is just giving all the elegance. Alright guys, that is today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. Don't forget to comment your favorite room down below and any other video suggestions that you may have. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Stay stylish!